My name is Alex Bellini. I am from Italy. I'm an explorer. Today I'm here in Larkana to set off with my boat made out of plastic bottles downriver to Karachi in order to raise awareness on pollution and especially the crucial role of rivers in a human being and the world in general health. The expedition is called 10 Rivers, One Ocean, and I've been sailing on the 10 most plastic polluted rivers in the world, from Ganges to the Nile in Egypt, and now on the Indus River in Pakistan. The message I want to share with people is that we are all in the same boat, meaning that regardless the culture, regardless the religion, regardless the country we are from, we are all part of a bigger group, which is human being. This is why we share the idea that we are all in the same boat. Especially this boat has been made with the help of local people, and this really creates the sense that we are all in the same boat.
मिस्टर एलेक्स बिलियन जो तालुक इटली सां आहे ऐं इटली खां ख़ासि पहुतो आहे हिकिड़ी पाणी जी जेके बोतलूं ऐं जेके लाड़काना सां फिटी था कनि।
Allah Hafiz.
Okay.